Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Oh yes, another lovely Sunday shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by Stirling, and this is Margaritas in the Arctic. Now the scent on this, I'm picking up a lot of lime and some menthol. I've never used this soap before, but I do have it whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl with my beautiful green Trotter's Handcraft brush, and I think I'm just gonna get to lathering. I was thinking about this soap because of the menthol, and since I haven't used it, I don't know if I'll get teared up or not. All right, so let's go ahead and apply the lather. I don't feel any menthol kicking in yet. Could be a good sign. I have 2 days worth of growth. I'm gonna work that around a little bit just to make sure that I did wet the face, even though I just got out of the shower. So my facial hair should be plenty hydrated. I got a haircut. All right. Today's razor is going to be a 1920s-ish Gillette single ring, and I say it's 1920s because this is one that does not have a serial number on it. It is a 3-piece razor, and you just take the 3 pieces apart, and I do like the fact that you can take the top cap and just drop the blade on it, and I'm going to be using the Gillette Silver Blue. You don't see too many videos on YouTube about this particular razor, or at least my searches did not come up. And I always just like to double check the blade alignment on it before I fully tighten it down. And I don't want to over tighten it because the handle is really thin, and I don't know if you can see it, but they're very notorious for cracking the handle. Let's see. Let's go ahead and warm the razor up and get the shave going. This is an open comb razor, and I've shaved with this several times. Some people say it's really aggressive, and I don't really find that to be the case, but I will say that it is very efficient. Nice. I do feel the menthol kicking in a little bit, and that's a nice feeling. As with all razors, you have to respect it, because if you don't and you do something foolish, it may get you. Well, how was your weekend? Anything exciting happening? Friday night started the football season for us. I was expecting it to be a little cooler than what it was. It did drop down to the 70s, but when you're in the bleachers, all those people breathing and shoulder to shoulder, you couldn't really feel the nice cool air. All right, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. This soap is very nice and creamy. Now that I have 95% of my facial hair removed, look at the lather on that. You can feel the menthol a little bit. And it's not overpowering. It's just enough to add a little cooling, which is very nice. And the old Trotter's Handcraft brush never disappoints. Let's go ahead and get the razor warmed up for pass number 2. Wow. Gillette did an excellent job on this razor. I enjoy how the head is so slim. If you look at it, look at that. The one thing you do have to be careful for is the tabs that are exposed, but if you do not have to shave under your nose and you're not too wieldy around your ears, you should be okay. Did you see that as we getting ready to go all over my shirt? Yeah, this portion here that I'm shaving just grows in a different direction, which is kind of odd for me, but that's the way it decided to grow. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. Wow, the cold water rinse really woke up the menthol and it feels great. Now, if I would have remembered the ice cube stick, I'm sure that would have really made the shave. I did get this in the glacial version, and I don't know if that's really anything more, you know, as far as the original splash probably just had some menthol in it. And I don't know if I might have misspoke earlier in the video. I don't know, did I say it smelled like lemon or did I say it smelled like lime? Because I'm picking up a lot of lime. And I was thinking about that during the cold water rinse and thought I might have said lemon. So if I said that, please, uh-oh, I might be at the end of my Star Jelly. The little pickup tube doesn't quite touch the bottom. All right, well, guys and gals, that is going to be my shave for the day. I'll put a photo right here of everything that I used. And if you haven't considered subscribing, please do that now. And I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend. That menthol, I'm loving it.